Fad diets are marketed as the quickest and most effective way to shed extra pounds. However, some of these diets involve cutting out food groups crucial for maintaining good health and providing essential nutrients to the body. Certain diets also claim that specific hormones are responsible for weight gain and suggest that food can alter the body's chemistry. Unfortunately, many of these diets are not well researched, and the available research is often unreliable. Today, we will be going over different fad diets and exploring how they influence your health. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Watch until the end to completely understand the different types of fad diets. Let's start with some of the worst fad diets out there. Number 1. Carnivore diet. If you're looking for a new way to lose weight, you might have come across the carnivore diet. This diet requires you to eat mostly meat, along with some eggs and fat, like cheese. But before you jump on board, hear me out. According to nutrition experts, the carnivore diet is a terrible idea that can lead to health decline. Not only is this diet incredibly high in saturated fat, which can lead to increased cholesterol levels and other health risks, but it also completely leaves out important foods like fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are essential for promoting weight loss and boosting your immune system. Instead of this terrible diet, focus on balanced, whole foods-based diets that include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Your body will thank you in the long run. Number 2. Keto diet. Next on a list of bad fad diets is the keto diet. This fad diet has gained popularity as a quick weight loss solution. Originally designed to treat epilepsy in children, this high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carb diet has caught the attention of many seeking rapid weight loss. However, despite its recent surge in popularity, the keto diet is not without its critics. There is a lack of long-term research to definitively prove its safety and effectiveness. Furthermore, going off the diet may lead to regaining lost weight. Let's move on to the healthier ones that are proven to work without damaging your body. Number 1. Paleo diet. First up is the paleo diet. This diet is based on the eating habits of our hunter-gatherer ancestors thousands of years ago. While some critics classify the paleo diet as a fad due to its restriction of many foods, including dairy, legumes, and grains, others praise it as a balanced and healthy way of eating. Although it may not be practical or possible to consume exactly the same foods as our prehistoric ancestors, the paleo diet encourages its followers to eat a wide variety of plant and animal foods while avoiding processed foods. Number 2. Vegan diet. You might have heard about the growing popularity of vegan diets. While some people criticize these diets for being extreme and unbalanced due to their lack of animal products, others praise them as the best type of diet due to the absence of animal products. However, the health benefits of a vegan diet depend on the types of foods you consume. Just remember that, as with any diet, it's important to focus on consuming healthy, whole foods to achieve the best results. Number 3. Atkins diet. Finally, there is the Atkins diet. This famous low-carb diet, created by cardiologist Robert Atkins in the early 1970s, promises to produce rapid weight loss without the discomfort of hunger. The Atkins diet is a high-protein, high-fat diet that restricts carbs and gradually adds them back in based on personal tolerance. In fact, studies have shown that it is one of the most effective ways to lose weight. The fad diet consists of 4 stages, including an initial 2-week induction phase where carbs are restricted to just 20 grams per day while unlimited amounts of protein and fat are allowed. So if you're looking for a weight loss plan that doesn't leave you feeling hungry, the Atkins diet may be worth a try. With its emphasis on high protein, high fat foods, and gradual reintroduction of carbs, it could be the key to unlocking your weight loss goals. And that is our video on fad diets. With the rapid surge of influencers promoting a different magic weight loss diets, it is important as viewers to always make sure to fact-check their claims. Thanks for watching. If you know any other healthy fad diet that I failed to include in this video, or have any concerns about the ones listed, please don't hesitate to drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.